Kevin, give us clarity. What is the factual position now? Is the Department of Justice going to continue the funding of the families of the victims of the people killed at Marikana?
Yes, that's correct. Essentially, the minister basically, as the final authority in this matter, actually, literally overruled everything else that had been said in this regard, and decided that there must be an amendment to the regulations of the commission to allow for support to families who want to. Because you will note that the statement that came out over the weekend was to the effect that there is no legal basis to do this, which creates problems even from an accountability standpoint, from PFMA and other sort of legislation that deals with how you spend public money.
Now,
so
Kevin,
yes.
Kevin, let me come in there. These amendments that the minister's talking about, how soon will they be drafted? And in the interim, where there's no legal requirement for these families to be financially assisted, what happens in the interim? Do you give them cash in hand? Does the money go to the lawyers? And how much money are we talking about?
There is no interim because the amendments were drafted this morning. It's literally an additional, few lines basically to the law to say that you can, provide for families who are affected by this thing to participate. Because remember, the regulations only allow for the witnesses to be supported and granted a witness fee. So we are already up good to go because the regulations were drafted and finalized by close of business today for submission to the president.